Hi, so I think you all loved our movie recommendations, so there are some part two. The first movie that I would recommend is basically for couples. It's called Blue Valentine. It's a lovely movie, but it's a little slow, but it talks about these real issue between real couples and how this couple actually overcomes that. Second is The Marriage Story. Only watch this movie if you are not looking to save your marriage, because if you're looking to save your marriage, it can trigger you in the wrong way. So that's why I'm giving a disclaimer. But if you're a single person, or if somebody wants to understand that marriage can have its own issues and both the people can see things very differently and feel they are the right one and they are the victim in the story, and how it actually changes the life of a child that is also involved in the marriage. But it's a beautiful portrayal of marriage, how two people change in it who really loved each other in the beginning and how at the end they get divorced. Sorry for the spoiler. Third, I think this podcast that I want you to watch, and I think if you really think that you have the same attachment issues, or if you recognize your attachment issue after this podcast, you do the thing she has recommended in that video. But if you're not able to help yourself from anyone, please take therapy from a therapist who does attachment based work, because that can really help you. The podcast is of Jay Shetty and the title is This Is Not Love. Fourth, I think there's a very popular podcast nowadays known as Biology of Trauma that will really explain you that why as an adult there are some behaviors that you can't understand actually come from your childhood trauma. So you can watch that. Last, I think I love this movie. It's an animated movie, but it talks a lot about your parts. It talks a lot about there's so many parts of us. There's an angry part, there is a happy part, there is a part that is very sad. And every time when we are not able to process these emotions, they kind of overcome in a conversation. The movie is Inside Out. You can go and watch that movie.